Hi, my name is Fernandez from Marina. I'm here to give you some basic boat safety information to keep you safe on the water this summer. When controlling a boat, there are three gear positions: forward, neutral, and reverse. Forward gear is indicated with an F on your control and is moving the control towards the bow of the boat. Reverse is indicated with an R on your control and is moving that control towards the stern of the boat. Using steering in combination with your thrust in forward or reverse steers the boat where you'd like it to go. If you turn your wheel to the right or to the starboard side and put it in forward gear, the boat will move to the right or to the starboard side. Returning it into neutral stops the boat from continuing to move to the right. This is called the point and shoot method. You can use these controls to accurately and intentionally move this boat in tight quarters. In addition to forward, neutral, and reverse, we have throttle advance in forward or reverse. If you're to put the boat in forward gear and then advance the throttle past the F area, the boat will go faster or accelerate. To decelerate, we need to bring the controls back near the F control or back to neutral. Same works for reverse. The boat will advance faster the further we put it in reverse.